Hi! Ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of crude. Constructed in a rudimentary, or makeshift manner. For example, the inspectors dismissed the documents as crude forgeries. The second definition of crude. Offensively explicit or coarse, especially in relation sexual matters. For example, a crude joke. American pronunciation. Crude. Crude. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Crude. Say. Crude. Crude means rudimentary or makeshift. Crude. Crude. Crude origin. Late Middle English is derived from Latin crudus, raw, rough. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The training facility was large, but seemed fairly crude, and in disrepair. Now, repeat after me. The training facility was large, but seemed fairly crude, and in disrepair. The second practice. With these crude weapons, the basic principles of artillery were laid down. Now, repeat after me. With these crude weapons, the basic principles of artillery were laid down.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.